Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 39. Citizens are protected from government arbitrariness in taxation by the canon of A. Elasticity, B. Flexible, C. Economy, D. Certainty. So, we are looking at certain factors in the process of taxation, in the setting of or placement of tax, and in the placement of tax or in taxation, which is the term, there are certain ideas known as canons of taxation. Now, these canons of taxation are certain characteristics that are expected to be considered. Characteristics expected to be considered in placement of tax or in taxation. So, option A says citizens are protected from government arbitrariness in taxation by the canon of elasticity. So canon of elasticity is option A. Now, canon of elasticity, the concept states that taxation should be elastic. Now, elastic in the sense that more revenue elastic in the sense that more revenue is automatically fetched when income of people increases or rises. Now, option B is flexible. Now, there is no such thing as canon of flexible, so option B is out. It is not a concept. Canon of flexible is not a concept. Now, C, economy, canon of economy. Now, the canon of economy is of the opinion that the cost of tax collection or cost of taxation should not be exorbitant. Rather, it should be minimum. Now, the canon of certainty, which is option D, is basically states that taxation should have elements of certainty, should be certain, should not fluctuate easily. Now, from these options we have just explained, canon of economy, which is option C, states that cost of taxation should not be exorbitant and should be at minimum. Therefore, it is the canon of taxation that protects citizens from arbitrariness in taxation by the government. So the correct answer is C, canon of economy. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.